Watson here, Adobe Solutions Consultant for Digital Media. We're here at Adobe MAX in LA. Super excited to show you what we have in store today. We have Shantanu talking about some of the latest stuff that's coming out for digital media, like Aero, Premiere Pro, etc. The list is endless. Make sure you stay tuned in for the dojo.
On my mind, as soon as I get back, she can straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Every other night, another dollar get made. Every other night, another movie get made.
My name is Minu. I'm also a solutions consultant with Kyrie, and we're gonna go walk around all the booths and show you what's going on with every single sponsor. We'll go to the Adobe booth and we'll see what swag they're handing out today. Let's go.
Without having to edit the main brochure or whatever.
How about this? Okay. Who did I win?
No, you can do this kata or yeah.
And then it's moving closer.